In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a shortcut from Microsoft Edge. This is a simple process that can help declutter your browser and make your browsing experience more efficient. Let's get started. First, you need to open Microsoft Edge. You can do this by locating the Edge icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once you find it, double-click the icon to launch the browser. As the application loads, you will see a familiar interface that features a streamlined design. This is where you will manage your browsing activities. Getting Edge open is a crucial first step as it sets the stage for all further actions. Next, open a new tab. You can do this by clicking the plus sign icon located at the top of the browser window. This action opens a fresh tab alongside your current one. In this new tab, you will typically see a range of options like quick links, which are shortcuts to frequently visited websites. This step is important because it gives you a dedicated space to work with shortcuts without interfering with your current browsing session. Now, find the shortcut you wish to remove under Quick Links. Quick Links are displayed on the new tab page and usually consist of icons or thumbnails representing your favorite websites. Take a moment to look through the available shortcuts. Identifying the right one is key, as this ensures you only remove what you no longer need. This little step saves you a lot of time later by preventing accidental deletions. Once you have located the shortcut, hover over it. As you do this, you will notice that additional options appear. This visual cue indicates that you can interact with the shortcut further. Hovering is an essential action here because it allows you to access the settings related to that specific shortcut without clicking it. It's a small but significant moment that prepares you for the next step. Click the three dots, also known as the ellipsis, on the shortcut. This icon indicates more options are available for that specific shortcut. When you click it, a menu will appear, displaying various actions you can take. This is where you will find the option to remove the shortcut. Knowing where to find these options enhances your navigational skills and improves your overall experience in Edge. Finally, select the Remove option from the menu. Doing this will prompt the browser to delete the shortcut from your quick links. Once you confirm your choice, the shortcut will disappear. This action streamlines your new tab experience by ensuring it only contains shortcuts that are relevant to you. Removing unnecessary shortcuts keeps your browsing environment organized and tailored to your preferences. With that, you have successfully removed a shortcut from Microsoft Edge. This process not only helps in maintaining a clutter-free browser, but also ensures you can easily access the sites that matter most to you. Remember, keeping your shortcuts organized can significantly enhance your browsing efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.